Expectations for Chapter 12. Hey folks, we're just about at the end of the course now, so please get off to a strong start by reading Chapter 12. There will be some reading questions and a short quiz dealing with the Chapter 12 reading. This will also be the first chapter with a completely separate bonus assignment as well. We will discuss this during one of the Zoom sessions. In addition to the quiz, you will receive the final scenario of the semester, this time dealing with police searches, gun rights, and the death penalty. This should be the easiest and shortest scenario of the semester, but please make sure you take it seriously. It can still bite you with a bad grade if you're not careful. Lastly, Chapter 12 will be the main chapter on the final exam. While the final exam will just be on the last few weeks of the class, it will still be important because this is an exam where you can make up some points on your overall average since there will be less material on it. Good luck, and please reach out if you have any questions.